Whenever we find ourselves having a conversation with our own minds, it might happen out loud on some occasions, or through a persistent inner monologue that truly never seems to come to a complete and final stop. However, the one question that truly frightens so many people is whether talking to yourself is actually normal or perhaps a sign of some underlying mental disorder. Scientifically speaking, the human brain utilizes self-talk as a powerful tool for internal organization. Therefore, whenever we are facing a difficult decision, intense pressure, or even a state of total confusion, the mind begins the process of organizing all of its thoughts through the physical act of speech. Young children often do this out loud for everyone to hear, and as they grow older and continue to mature, this voice gradually transforms itself into a silent internal dialogue that stays within the mind. However, in moments of extreme stress or during periods of very intense concentration, that voice might once again find its way back out into the open world. And in such cases, it is important to remember that there is absolutely no defect or anything wrong with you at all. The real danger is not in the act of talking to oneself, but in losing control of it. Whenever the conversation starts turning into compulsive commands or voices that have become detached from one's consciousness, it is only at this point that we are truly dealing with a serious problem. Now, talking to yourself for the purpose of thinking, calming yourself down, or organizing your thoughts is actually a clear sign of a highly active brain rather than being a sign of a disturbed or troubled mind. As a matter of fact, various scientific studies indicate that those individuals who engage in conscious self-talk possess a significantly greater capacity for concentration and for making important decisions. Madness is not simply the act of talking to yourself. True madness is allowing your own thoughts to drift away without ever truly making a conscious effort to understand them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications button.